feels a bit weird, doesn't it, Yaso?
It does.
How's your pate there, doll?
Divine.
Oh.
You look kind of tanned.
Tanned! Thank you for all of your messages of where the hell are you, Geoff? We've been travelling. We've been all over the place. And Yaso, let's just address the elephant in the room. Yaso, I got to twist her arm to do these videos, guys. So you need to fill up the comments with come on, Yaso, pull your finger out of your ass and let us do some more videos.
That's fine. I don't have to peer under the camera. I'm right here, and you could just earn enough money for both of us, and then I wouldn't have to work full time and raise your children and shoot your videos.
Barbecue pork steaks. I have here a pork neck / pork collar. Roast me in the comments if you like, but I'm fairly sure they're exactly the same thing. And you can see I've already marked this out. I'm going to cut this guy into 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 with a little edgy bit on the end. That's going to be Yaso's bit because, well, you know.
I'm not really into.
She's not a meat person, let's be
really.
honest. So we're just going to cut these into steaks. Look how sharp my knife is now, Yaso.
You were going to give me that bit.
Yeah, you're going to get
That'll be for the magpies.
Do we need to talk about our pet magpies? There you go, look at that. 1.5 inch and a bit thick, beautiful.
That fat's going to render in the cook, right?
That fat is going to render all the way down. That's exactly right. The fat and the collagen and all of the business. But you want them nice and thick so that it doesn't dry out, and you can see that all of that marbling and that fat's going to render beautifully.
For some reason, Geoff doesn't have a cholesterol issue, which I'm very jealous of. So he can continue eating that.
I do not.
I'll have the fish.
I do not have any cholesterol issues. That's
lucky you.
Exactly right. But you make it seem like I have a poor diet. I don't have a poor diet.
Geoff, look.
I eat a lot of vegetables.
Look.
But it's going to render, babe. It's going to render. Don't worry
about it. The vegetable consumption doesn't even it out. Like, it doesn't make that go away.
Fucking hell. Stop being so anti-protein. It's beautiful. Don't worry about it. All right. And to that, after I have a sip of Pinot Noir.
Me too.
And a very nice Pinot Noir it is too. Basil Crown Prince from South Gippsland in Victoria. Beautiful. It is a Lane's barbecue, but it's my seasoning rub, which I'll put in the description. Pork seasoning. Don't need a binder. It's all fine. And just go over. It's quite fennel heavy, but fennel and pork are best mates, so I kind of dig it and just give it a bit of
You love fennel.
Oh, I do love fennel. Almost as much as I love...
Me.
Well, yeah.
That's what you were going to say, isn't it?
Yeah, that and a bit of pork dog, you know what I'm saying? Give that a pat in. Give a cheeky pat in. On the other side, and we'll roll these around to get the edges after. There we go. How are you feeling about doing a video after so long, Yaso? The fans have been asking for it.
You don't have fans, Geoff.
I don't have fans.
No.
Okay.
They're not fans. They're what people.
Who can I think of off the top of my head? Scott.
Name people.
Sent a message the other day. Scott sent me a message the other day. He's a regular. Jumps on board. Comments. Wonderful man.
Yeah, regular, not fan.
Tell Yaso she needs to pull her finger out of her ass, Scotty.
You better hope Scotty's watching this one, hey Geoff?
Scotty and Lee off Food for the Flame. He loves a Geoff for the Chef. Geoff the Chef cook up. And then there's all your fans, Yaz, who I think they just want to know what you look like, to be honest. And you're refusing to give the fans what they want, which I kind of like. To be honest, it can be...
I just think it's just people that like thick pieces of seasoned meat. That's what your common interest.
I was going to say that you would be a bit of seasoned meat, but that would be...
What, that I like thick seasoned meat?
A little bit derogatory.
Why would that...
All right. So that's it. I have... Look at the mess I've made. Beautiful.
Yep, I'm looking at it.
Beautiful. Got the Kamado Joe fired up at 100 and whatever it is. I know. See, I shouldn't know Fahrenheit, but because barbecue is such a Fahrenheit heavy thing.
Get to the point, Geoff.
Yeah, I know. I just wish we just worked in Celsius, to be honest. Barbecue fired up to 275F, 130C or whatever it is. I'll put that shit on the screen. Already ready to go. This is going to take a few hours. I'll put the timing on the thing. We want to get these up to, I'm not going to wrap them, just going to cook them open, and we'll glaze them at the end. And it'll take a few hours or so. You want to get them up to somewhere between 85. You can hear the kids screaming in the background. I think they're killing each other.
Someone died.
85 to 90 degrees Celsius internally. Again, I'll put that on the screen, the conversion. That one I know off the top of my head. You want to get them just before pulled pork temperature, so they're still steaky and not pull apart, but super, super tender. We've made these before, actually, a little while ago. And then we're going to make a lovely pineapple salsa to put on the side or on top or something, and it's going to be, it's going to be shit up, like it always is, right?
My arm's getting sore.
Let's go out. Let's go on. You can put some string around this if you care wholeheartedly about the shape of them. I think if you just bunch them up, it's going to be fine. Set it around, in and around. I forgot to season the other side of your scrappy bit.
I'm not eating it anyway. It's too scrappy.
We'll be back soon.
Did we eat that whole other piece?
Yeah, they're cheap.
Oh, wow, yeah. God, that went down quickly.
Are you filming right now?
Yes.
Oh. So we ate that off cut because
we need a little aperitif.
All right.
Aperitif.
So we're a bit whacked on we've had a bottle of Pinot. Look how shaky the camera is, I can tell. We've already had a bottle of Pinot, so I don't know how this is going to turn out. Bottle of Pinot. I'm just using a cheeky out of the bottle Stubbs Hickory, but we want to glaze these, so just a little bit over the top. And we'll glaze these up. So I'm at nearly 80 degrees Celsius, which is approaching, I have no idea, F. Put it on the screen. And as I said...
Yaz has been seen in the al fresco.
As I said, you don't want these at pulled pork temperature, but a little bit before that. So you want a nice tender steak, but not pulled pork. So we're just going to glaze these on both sides, and then probably by the time they tack up, we'll turn them over, do the other side, we'll be ready to go, I reckon.
I might even partake in this.
Oh, now you think it looks good. Look at how's your form?
Wow.
How's your form? These are
looking a little
exquisite. Beautiful stuff. All right. That looks nice.
Nice. Let me just, yep, there we go.
Oh, having a look in there. Yeah, it looks great, bitches.
Okay, wow, yep.
What was I saying? Oh, yeah, we'll let this tack up and then we'll do the other side.
Yum.
Oh, yes. Look at this shit. Fucking. How do I turn these again?
No idea.
What's that?
I am in no shape to be...
Are you a little bit whacked, Yaso?
Oh, you know. Sunday night.
I like it when Yaso's a little bit whacked, because then she's nice to me, you know what I'm saying, people? We're going to do...
More.
No, the other side.
All right.
The other side. Relax. Just a little glaze to set them up. Now, you guys can use your favourite barbecue sauce, just the same as you can use your favourite seasoning. You don't have to use mine. That's fine. Look how lovely. Like, get a close-up of how beautiful that caramelization is there, Yaso.
Beautiful caramel.
Oh, and now the Belgian has come for a little look. All right, get her on camera, because otherwise she'll whine. Had a bit of scotch, babe.
Excuse me.
Ben! We're filming, turd. Get him back again.
Just pretend he's not there. Where is he?
Benjamin! Fucking kids making everything
He's
difficult.
not strong enough to...
Come on, Yaz, focus.
Geez, come on.
Anywhere between 85 and 90 degrees is fine Celsius. These are good, is where we're at. Stop with the kid. Look at the pork, babe. Look at the pork. Yeah. To this lovely mix of charred business, we're going to add a little bit of honey. Just I don't know, what's that, a tablespoon or so? 2 tablespoons maybe? Got a couple of gnarly limes here. Let's squeeze these in and we'll see how we go. Let's give this a stir. Now, I'm going to give this to the kids, so I've left the jalapenos out, but I'm absolutely going to add that in for ours. Get a little cheeky tight shot of this, Yaso. The lovely char and the zest and all of the business, just great.
Wait, there's no zest in it.
Well, not yet. Well, no, there's a lot more.
No, but I'm just saying because that might confuse people.
Oh, well, I'm getting the jalapenos in there. Don't you worry. But I want the children to eat this without complaining. So.
Did you need me to taste it?
I need me to taste it.
Oh, okay.
Let's let Geoff the chef have a little taste, shall we?
Okay.
Just a little cheeky. Oh.
Yum, 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 yum.
Get me. So I'm going to add 2 jalapenos to that. after I put a little bit aside for the cheeky kidlets. And then we'll plate up. Amazing. Look at that. Let's cut a little. Oh my gosh, look at that, Yaso. Cut a little.
So juicy.
Cut a little slice. So juicy. Look at that, Yaso. We'll put a little salsa. Oh yeah, look at that. All right, let's have a taste. It's so good, babe.
Give me a try.
I'm out. In a minute, you can have all of the things. So good. Make this shit. We're back. We're on board. Back from touring the world. Yaso is pissed. She's had 3 bottles of Pinot. She can barely hold the camera. It's all good. It's just returning normal transmission.
Dad,
so
don't
good.
be emotional because you're not. You try that.
Let's wind this one up. Okay.
Don't be emotional.
You're not emotional. It's true. Don't believe it.
Thank you for begging us to come back. Those that sent messages.
We love you guys.
We do love you guys.
Jeffo needs the attention.
And Jeffo needs the attention.
I love Christmas ever. I can't wait to get presents.
Okay, let's wind this up.
Great.
I can't wait to get presents. Can I have a try?
It's amazing. Oh my gosh, just make it.
Because
Just make
Dad's
it.
a weirdo and he does.
We'll be back. We'll see you on the next one. Cheers. And go.
Cut. Wait, guys. Hold up for a second. Cut.
All right, cut. Go. Yep.
Hey, Dad. Also, thank you to Kiara for subscribing. I want to give a shout out to Kiara. Thank you for subscribing. You're my best friend. And thank you to all of you. Get my dad to 5,000 subscribers before the end of the year. Thank you.